Hello and welcome to the Molten Show. We are back.
In search of Ontario's best pizza.
Today we're in Cookstown at a pizza vending machine. As you can see, kids wanted to come.
Oh, there it is. You cannot see.
Stop moving. Do you see it here? Can you see it? Stop. See it?
Yes, no. Yeah, I can see it. It's opening the box now. It's opening up the box and then it's going to squat under. Come in. That's almost done. It's coming out. I can see. There it is. Coming out. I see it. It's coming out. Can you see it?
Hot. And the reveal.
What?
Okay, downfall, it's not cut. So I don't know how you're supposed to do this, but I guess we should got a knife somewhere. Okay, you know what? If you need pizza in a pinch, like need it, then I mean it's here. It's not amazing, but if it is your favorite pizza, put a like there. And if you have a suggestion for us that we can try, put a comment down there and we'll go check it out. Thanks a lot.